Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Google Assistant on your lock screen in Google Pixel 6. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, tap on the Google Apps icon on your home screen. This will open up your Google Apps interface where you can access various Google services and settings. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and tap on it to access your account settings and preferences. After tapping your profile icon, a menu will appear with several options. From this menu, tap on Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can customize how Google services work on your device. It's important to navigate through here carefully as this is where most of your Google account configurations are managed. Now, within the settings menu, look for and tap on Google Assistant. This option controls all the features and behaviors of Google Assistant on your device, including how it interacts with your lock screen. Tapping this will open a new page dedicated specifically to Assistant settings. Next, scroll through the Google Assistant settings until you find the option labeled Lock Screen. Tap on it to access the lock screen specific controls. This is where you'll enable Assistant to respond even when your phone is locked, which is incredibly convenient for quick queries and commands without needing to unlock your device. Once you're in the lock screen settings, you'll see a toggle button labeled Google Assistant Features on Lock Screen. Tap this toggle to turn it on. Enabling this feature allows you to interact with Google Assistant directly from your lock screen, making it faster and easier to get information, set reminders, or control your smart home devices without the extra step of unlocking your phone. With that setting enabled, it's time to test it out. Turn off your phone screen to enter the lock screen. This simulates the real-world scenario where you typically use this feature, whether your phone is sitting on your desk or you're on the go. Now, while your phone is locked, press and hold the power button. Google Assistant will appear on your lock screen, ready to help you with whatever you need. You can now ask questions, give commands, or perform various tasks without ever unlocking your device. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Google Assistant on your lock screen, making your Pixel 6 even more convenient to use throughout your day. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you